This is Delaney with Underground Performance, and today we're going to cover sledgehammers and mistakes I think people are doing. It's not a wrong right way, honestly. It's just the way I prefer to do it and the reason I'm doing it that way. I see a lot of people having the hammer do the work, and for me this is a shoulder mobility, core movement. And at first I'll show you what I see people do that I think is inefficient use of time. They're using the sledgehammer like a sledgehammer basically. It's not wrong. But a lot of times what people will do is pick up their sledgehammer and throw it down. The problem with that's not going to get your heart rate up that much, and you're kind of cheating it. What I'm trying to do is keep my hands toward the end of the sledgehammer and use my core to move it. I'm generating power through the ground into that tire, and I'm trying to keep my hands moving the whole time. This takes practice, so I'll start out slow. And I'll bounce it, come back up. Bounce it, change hands. You can see that gets my hands back behind and builds flexibility, and also get some core work in. The key is to take your time at first while switching your hands. Come here. Once you went quicker, you make the switch out faster. To get easier, start with a lighter sledgehammer.